by some individuals in Kasese claiming to have defected from the NRM and FDC parties to join the National Unity Platform NUP. NRM Kasese District Spokesperson Kamala has dismissed the claims, stating that no genuine NRM members are crossing over to the opposition, particularly to NUP.
I'm aspirant chairperson LC3 Kasese Central Division. Bwendaba abantu bali mukujja nange mba nsanyuse nnyo kasita mba tugenda kuwangula buli sonda yonna mu Kasese yonna.
And whether they are real, because they can masquerade as if they are NRM, kumbe they are not NRM. If they are masqueraders, let them go and make money. If they are real cadres of ours, I will identify them and know, but my message to them will be sorry.
Kamala says that investigations have revealed that some people falsely represent themselves as NRM members only to later claim they have defected. He said that this is a deliberate tactic aimed at creating false impression that the opposition is gaining strength. He said that the party has achieved significant progress in terms of development, particularly in improving service delivery across the district.
Two major gravity schemes in the district. One of Nyamuasana and one of Nyangorongo. Nyamuasana is in Bukonzo East, Nyangorongo is in Busongora North. They are big gravitational water schemes that are being constructed to answer the question of safe and clean water in the community. So we are doing those things. So if those services are reaching you, what else do you want? In Kasese, we had previously, we had a problem of education. The children of Kasese some years ago hardly got good education. But now, as we talk now, schools are up to the topest mountain.
He further urged any NRM members who are dissatisfied with the party to come forward so that their concerns can be addressed constructively.
Discontented with your party, come and explain, come and express your discomfort with the party. We listen to you. We see if we cannot solve your problems. If they are there, then we move on, because majority of the problems that the community tell us in the community there, it concerns the infrastructure development. Roads, our roads are not good, we have noted, and there is a program already set to ensure that those roads are worked on. Some people say we don't have clean, safe and clean water. We have noted in some areas, and the program is set for.
Meanwhile, during the event where individuals crossed over the opposition, Stuart Biakebake, NUP spokesperson for Kasese District, stated that he had pledged to mobilize and win over many individuals from the ruling party after being elected to a leadership position.
Lero tumaze okufishinga omu kuba chief mobilizers aba FDC Maska Beatrice aka Mamarot tumulina kati mungalo era atugambye agenda kukolera ekibiina without fear or favor.
Julius Mhomuza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.